How to add new users to Mycase. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Mycase dashboard, you can go over to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile name. From there, you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, you're going to tap on add a new user. From there, you can fill in the employee name. So let me do that real quick. And you can fill in their last name also. So you'll tap on last name and you can type out their last name. Once you're finished doing that, you can put in their email address. Then you can select the user type. After selecting the user type, from here you'll be able to also add in the user title. So you can tap on user title and you can select whichever one of these options right here that best describes the user. Then you can fill in their default rate. After adding in their default rate, you'll tap on create user. So let me just add an email address for example's sake. You'll tap on create user. Once you have tapped on create user, you could also link that particular user to an active case if you want. So you can do that. Then you'll tap on next. And from here you can see the level of permission. You can edit the amount of permission that they have on the app. And you can limit the amount of access they have here also. Once you're finished, you'll tap on finish, then you'll tap on close, as you can see right there. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to add a new user to your dashboard. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.